is up, you guys? It is Parker here with Deco Exchange. Y'all, we've got another great tutorial out today, and I just wanted to remind you guys to subscribe to our channel, like the video down below, and at the very least, y'all, leave us a comment and let us know what you think. Hope you enjoy.
All right, we gotta finish this one. So y'all, this one is the one that we designed on Monday. And we used the blank sign from the warehouse. And then I used my Cricut to write welcome. Like, hopefully this fits, because we don't have a backup plan if it doesn't. Y'all, this is Cricut's Smart Vinyl. It's pretty friendly. Just because I said that, it doesn't want to peel off this letter. All right, y'all, I'm gonna use the lines on my grid and the bottom line to get it somewhat straight. Y'all, what I like about these signs is that you can like now offer customization to people. So if you have a lot of people that like monograms or stuff with their last names, all that kind of stuff, and you have a Cricut, you can do it. If you have a Cricut and you don't know how to use it and you're in the creative coaching group, we do have multiple Cricut classes in there that you can go watch. If you're not in the creative coaching group, you can go join us by going to learnfromdamon.com and then sign up for creative coaching. Y'all, you can usually get more than one use out of this. So put it back on your transfer tape. I do have a few little air bubbles, gonna work those out real quick. All right. So I'm gonna use a pipe cleaner at the top and then a mounting square at the bottom. Y'all, now wait, I actually got the new glue and I still didn't use it. The metal sign is from Deco Exchange. All right. One pipe cleaner for the top. one for the side. Yo, how come that pipe cleaner is not wanting to participate? There we go. Okay, now y'all, on this grapevine, I just noticed that this twig here is sticking out. So I'm gonna trim that one off. Can't be having that. All right, we just gotta clean up these two pipe cleaners. And we got another one done. Ready for photos. So this one I also made with the intent of gifts. If it doesn't work as a gift, it'll go through every day, summer, Valentine's Day.